In 1939, a young British stockbroker named Nicholas Winton was packing for a skiing holiday in Switzerland. But a single phone call changed everything. A friend told him, "Nicholas, forget the holiday. Come to Prague. There are thousands of refugee children here, desperate to escape the Nazis." Nicholas went, and what he saw broke his heart. Jewish families, terrified, begging for help to get their children out before the Nazis arrived. So he did something unbelievable. With no official support, no government backing, he began forging papers, bribing officials, and organizing trains to carry children from Czechoslovakia to safety in Britain. He called it the Kindertransport. By the time war broke out, Nicholas Winton had saved 669 children from certain death. And then, he said nothing. For 50 years, no one knew, not even his wife. Until one day in 1988, she found a dusty notebook in their attic. Inside were names, photos, and every detail of the children he saved. She showed it to a BBC program, and during the live show, they surprised Nicholas. They filled the audience with the very children he saved, now adults with families of their own. When they stood up, one by one, Sir Nicholas looked around, overwhelmed, tears in his eyes. He had no idea. His quiet act of kindness would echo through generations. Nicholas Winton, a man who never sought fame, never asked for thanks, just did what was right when the world was falling apart. Because sometimes heroes don't wear uniforms. Sometimes they carry train tickets and hope.